Hey, how's it going, guys? It's your boy Lambo. I'm back at it again today. I wanted to make a video to find some winning products for free, right? There's a lot of things that a lot of people are doing that are overcomplicating exactly how to get some free products to sell that you know will make you sales, and actually even goes into the specifics as to which crowd to go with. So let's jump right into it. If you like my content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll jump right into the video right now. About it, the best way to find out what is selling is actually given to you, right? Now, one of the ways that you know that this is coming from a really good source, as you guys can see here, if you go on Google and you type in top products on Oberlo, you're gonna see this article, the top unique products of to sell in 2018. Now, why is this such a reputable information, and why is this good information? Well, the thing is, Oberlo does drop shipping, right? That's what the whole business is structured around, drop shipping. So because the business is structured around drop shipping, they want you to use their products to drop ship. If you're making sales, they're making money, right? That's literally how it works. If you're making sales, they're making money. So of course they're gonna be giving you the top things to make you money so that they can make money, right? Because if you're not making money, you're not using them. If you're not using them, they're not making money. So that's why they have all these articles here. So if you go on Google and you type in the top unique products to sell, you're gonna see this. So I just wanted to go ahead and share 10 products with you guys that will make you a lot of money. All right, now Oberlo actually even goes into it, and we could jump right into it here. So you can see your top unique dropshipping products to sell in 2018. They talk about exactly the best products. They actually, it's a video that you guys can watch that will tell you exactly what it is. And all the information, why you should dropship and all that stuff. So they got some really good information here. But let's jump into some of the products here. So one of the top things that they've noticed that a lot of people have been selling that have been making a lot of money is the moon lamps, right? Now, there's one thing I like about Oberlo. Not only do they talk about moon lamps here, but they actually give you targeting tips, all right? So who to target, exactly what niche you should look for to be able to sell it. Look at this, the wall mount. I could already tell that this is going to be sold to somebody who likes to travel. But let's just see, all right? So they got this one, the world map watch. So they have that as well. And look at this right here. Look at that, analog, blah, blah, blah. I knew it. See? Guys, I've not gone into all of this yet. This is all live, just like how I'm doing it, well, the recording isn't live, but I'm scrolling through just like you guys are. And I knew that they were going to have somebody traveling. You could tell I've been doing this for a while. But you guys can see here, they actually give you exactly who to sell, who to target, everything like that, all right? Now, I will be 100% honest, guys. I sold this product. I sold it around Valentine's Day, and I was making money. But I didn't know exactly what I was doing. But this was one of my first successful products that I sold. And it's funny that they have it on here. I sold this gold-plated flower here, and it actually made me some money. And look at that, Valentine's Day. I already knew it, but this was one of the products I sold it exactly on Valentine's Day, and it made me a lot of money. Now look at this, a dog water bottle. I've never seen this before, but it's passionate about pets. I guess it's a water bottle for your pet. I don't know what it is. But look, we can jump right into it here, and it's dog lovers. Your dog is awesome. So all of these targeting. Now, what I want to say, guys, is when you get right here, when you get to all these products here, if you really want to know which is getting you a lot of sales, you could pretty much create an ad set for each one of them separately, right? So you could just create an ad set just for dog lovers, an ad set for just dog. This is if you have a lot of money to play with. Like, let's say you have $30 to play with a day, you could have a $5 ad, $5 ad, $5 ad, $5 ad, $5 ad, $5 ad for this. But another way to do it is you could break this down into 3 segments, right? So you could have 3 right here as one asset and put a $15 ad spend on that one. So we'll be going through these 3 and another 3 right here and the other ones. And that's how you can start testing and seeing what is going to be making you money, right? Look, they also have a follow-up interest and all these other things. I've never seen dog spot.in and dogs today. But they're pretty much telling you exactly who to target on Facebook to make you money. They're holding your hand. And this is free information for you to start making money today. All right, this is how you can make money today, guys. And that's a lot of people still don't know that. That's crazy. Now look at this. The elephant pillow is for, I guess, something to huggle up in. People like to cuddle with stuff. And look, okay, baby, okay, so home designs, all of that, animal lovers, elephants, journeys, things like that. So they are saying, you know, they're literally showing you guys that. So let's just jump into it. Okay, multifunctional water bottles. I've seen this ad actually somewhere. But I guess this is one of the top selling stuff. You could go ahead and put some stuff in there. What's up with elephants? I guess people really like elephants. I don't know. Alright, so they got that the elephant jewelry here. This is cool. This is cool. The puzzle cup. Alright, so I guess this is for people who like logos. Yep. Look at that. Logos for kids. Stuff like that. That's really cool. Chokers have been a very big trend right now. A lot of women love it. And I'll just give you guys a pro tip. If you want to make a store, especially in fashion, it's really smart to just go niche than broad. All right, because when you're doing a fashion store, going broad means that you need, in order for you to start making a lot of sales, you are going to need people that are influential. Like, you're going to need people who have influence to be able to brand your store. If you're just trying to do ads, nobody knows who you are. 9 times out of 10, they're not going to buy from your store. But if you just kind of jump right into it here, and you you just give them a niche store. So like, if you want to sell chokers, you could just literally make a store just on chokers, and that's it. Just on chokers, and that's it. By you doing that, people without coming to your store know that, okay, this is the stores for chokers. If I'm just trying to get chokers, this is the website I need to go to. But if you start adding like clothing and everything like that, it's kind of confuse their buyer, right? But that's kind of cool. I know that the targeting is gonna have accessories. Let's see, something with accessories, maybe cosmetics, but something with accessories. Let's see if I'm right. All right, so let's see here, chokers, necklace, fashion accessories. I knew it, but that's kind of cool. I never actually knew that there was an actual interest just for chokers. That's pretty cool. So you selling the arrow bracelet, same thing. Would have probably the same type of crowd. Yep. So all of these things are things that are selling in the store here, guys. And you guys can literally take advantage of this information right here. These are 10 things that you could start selling today with this same crowd and start making money right away. Hopefully you guys have found this informative, and this how you could pretty much use this information that you have to start making 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 by the end of 2018, or even, you know, in a whole year. Start making some money with this. All right, so hopefully you guys have found this video informative. Please make sure you like and subscribe. If you do want to buy my course, the link is below. You go ahead and get started with the Dropship Nation course, you know, where I teach you exactly how to build a store from point A to point Z, holding your hand, showing you exactly how to find what products to sell, give you insights just like this to get your game to the next level, you know. And of course, you get one of these cool Dropship Nation courses, shirts as well. But apart from that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you have a question, leave it below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye-bye.
I just dropped 30 bands, then pulled off in that all white lamb. Yeah. Don't come through if you can hang. Don't come through if you can hang. Don't come through if you can hang. Don't come through if you ain't gang. Yeah.